trying bee larvae. Here, this one's pretty fat, and let's see what's on the inside. Oh, it's squirted. Oh, this one just filled with oils. Look, this one actually has it inside. It has some meat. Okay. We're gonna be trying these larvae. So, here's a close up. Looks like a poo.
Not gonna lie.
Oh, this one's moving. Oh, I cracked it. Okay, I'm scared. Come here. Here, go next to me. Let's see. 3, 2. Oh, it's actually not that bad. It's like a chip. It's better. It's salty. Just with the way my puts. That's not good. It's pretty good. It's like a chip. Let me eat another. That has good. So look it. It's like for fishing.
I feel like I'm sick.
Kind of good. Be a lot of it. I totally recommend it. If you dare. I think this is my second time ever eating it. But the last time I ever ate it, when I was 6. When I was 6, I ate this. And he was 3.
Look, I'm gonna eat the stuff. You see this? I'm gonna put it here.
It's not that bad.
Look it.
It's pretty good.
It's a long one.
Ooh. It broke. So, yeah. It's pretty good.
My mama got to try.
You try it?
Show.
The video is not making it.
Yes, it is.